Hi, this is SmartDesigner's technical service team. I'm going to show you how to do the color mask and 3D draping. And we're going to log in with the ID and password. And when you open the SmartDesigner, you can see basically two options. And click the create new image and go to the general image mode. And be sure to click the full colors and then click OK. And we're going to import one of the image. Let's see. Okay. So color mask is that you can change the color of the particular part. And I'm going to change the color of her top. And you need to define the outline first. And click this select image. And click define irregular image. And then I'm going to define the outline from here. When you just click the select image, the boundary will be the rectangular. So to make curve, you need to click irregular image so that you can make detailed outline. And you can easily zoom in and out by press Alt and rolling in, so you can see and you can define the detailed outline. This part is not that difficult and it's very easy and very fun, so I'm sure that you will enjoy this part. So once you're done, click right mouse button and then click OK. And then click this OK button too. And then click this color mask button and then click select color automatically. Then colors are merged. So click right mouse button and merge all the color in. And then you'll see that there's some left color. So click this button, group remaining colors several times. And you'll see that all the colors perfectly merged. So click OK and then click change color and click inside of it and then click other colors so you can see the colors are perfectly merged applied. And by adjusting here, you can make the boundary uh, soft. So make it softer, you can click here, and I'm going to make it place it here. So as you can see, the colors are very naturally applied, and select one you like. And then if you want to see all the colors at once, you can use the color combo and be sure to delete the outline of the top and make the outline of the whole picture. So click delete and then click this button again. Then the boundary will be set and save change, yes. And then you can see the boundary is on the whole picture. So click change color again and click color combo this button and then click the colors you want to see, whatever you and as much as you want. I'm going to and then click the inside of the original color and then click OK button. Then you can see that um, all the colors applied, and by changing the size you can see you can change the size of the pictures and then see which one looks the which one you like the most. Let's see. I like this one. So click the show preview to import it in your screen and click OK on here, and then you can place it on your screen. So it's done. It's done with color mask. So I'm going to show you the 3D draping. So I'm going to show you 3D draping on the next video. So thank you for listening and hope you enjoy this part.